Hello everyone, welcome to a new sprint review from Eclipse JKube team. This sprint we continued working on the promotion of the project. Sun gave a talk at Eclipse Java user group. We also managed to get someone from Quarkus team write a blog post about JKube remote development and Quarkus. And we released a new version of JKube 1.11.0 this sprint. On kubernetes-client side, we are preparing for releasing next version 6.5.0. And apart from that, we are working on the usual bug fixing and maintenance work. Today, we'll take a look at the JKube build summary report feature that we have added. In order to improve the user experience, Sun suggested to add some summary after execution of each of the plugin goals or tasks, which would explain what the goal or task for JKube did for the user in that context. So let's take a look into that. So I'll go to my demo project. So I'm in my simple Spring Boot demo project. So I'll run the JKube goals as usual. Just trying to deploy the application using build resource apply goals. And we'll see that the plugin would print some summary about the actions it performed. Okay, so we can see that after the execution of the plugin goals, we have some additional output here. So you can see that there is some summary from JKube which contains the details like what container image it has built and what was the build strategy for container image creation, and which opinionator generator we had used, what were the enrichers that were used during the processing of the Kubernetes resources, what resources were generated by JKube, and we also used the which goals we have executed in this Maven execution, and also to the cluster where it applied the resources. So we can see that for some new user this can be really helpful, and it can give him an idea about what's going on, and probably what would be the next steps for using the plugin. So if you don't want this summary, it can be disabled using the JKube.summary enable property. It's set to true by default, but we can also set it to false. So if we set it to false, you see we don't print any summary anymore. So this concludes the demo. Thanks a lot for watching.